Well, I think what we're going to blow up today is a 15-inch Explod. So, if you can hear carefully, that is a line. That's half blown. So I'm going to finish it off and probably going to take the dust cap off. Who knows? And the cone is literally sunk in. If you can see, the spider is absolutely sunk in as well. But as you can see, there's the former. But when I lift it up a little bit, it's toasted just below where the fresh line is. So yeah, it's definitely going to go. So let's hook it up. And that is gone. Filled the room with a bit of smoke, that. Oh my god. Wow. That is dead. Definitely dead.